Hello there, today I'm sharing how I make these super delicious drumsticks. To marinate the chicken, I'm combining sweet soy sauce with a bit of salt, some powdered ginger, cardamom powder, smoked paprika powder, some onion powder, a bit of sriracha, tomato paste, and some lemon juice. I also added a bit of water, and I put the water in the bowl that I had my soy sauce in, hence the color, but it's just plain water. Mix until it's a thick sauce and pour it over the chicken. There's quite a lot of flavor in this, so there's no need to let this marinate for hours. However, if you have time on your hands, you can of course do that. Put it in your air fry basket. I cooked mine for about 25 to 30 minutes at 175 Celsius. Every air fryer has its own recommendations on how long and at what temperature to cook specific foods in, so please be aware of your air fryer's recommendations. If you don't have an air fryer, you could also bake this in the oven. And I garnished it with some chives. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.